Hello, English learners. Welcome back to EnglishEdge, your go-to channel for enhancing your English speaking skills. Today, we have an exciting conversation video that will help you navigate a coffee shop with ease. Let's dive in. Navigating a coffee shop.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like a medium black coffee, please.
Certainly. Anything else with that?
Yes, I'll also take a blueberry muffin.
Great choice. Anything to drink with that muffin?
Just the coffee, thanks.
Perfect. Your total is $5.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my card, please.
All right. Go ahead and insert your card into the chip reader. Here's your black coffee and blueberry muffin. Enjoy!
Thank you. By the way, this coffee shop has a nice ambience.
I'm glad you like it. We try to create a cozy atmosphere. Do you come here often?
It's my first time, actually. I heard about it from a friend.
Well, we hope you make it a regular spot. Anything else you'd like to know about the menu or the place?
Not for now, but I'll definitely explore more next time. Thanks.
You're welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Enjoy your coffee.
And there you have it, a simple yet effective coffee shop conversation. Practice these phrases to build confidence in your English communication skills. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to EnglishEdge for more tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video.